Beautiful morning in Yankeetown. We got a nice high tide this morning. Let's go see if we can get a topwater blow up. Let's go catch some fish. Oh, we got a bunch of fish right here. Something right there. Something's following it? Yeah. Oh, you'll see it. Have you ever caught a big snook on topwater?
No.
They freaking destroy it.
The largest snook I ever caught was like 24 inches.
The crazy part about this area is like, no matter where I think I'm at a good spot, you'll catch one in a different spot every time you come in here. So you just can't be discouraged when you don't get a bite, because at any time you're gonna get that monster and it'll change how you think about this place. Yep, got him. Oh, I missed him. Get it in there. Get in there. He's coming. Jesus. See what I mean? That was a beautiful snook. It sucks when you miss them. I got one snook. He's gone. There's like one big girl on each point. So like once you miss them, it's like that point's over with. On to the next one. The anticipation kills me, just waiting for one. It's like I know they're gonna be in here somewhere. Oh, we got a bunch of fish right here. I see a bunch of tails up here in front of us. They're probably, oh, get in there. That was a big redfish.
Back there.
Yeah, come on, we're gonna catch one. Oh, there's fish everywhere right there. Oh, you got a bite. That's a big red. Well, 10 minutes in, we already got an overslot fish. Pretty easy. That'd be a good day already in a kayak. Catching a big one like that.
It'd be a long paddle in a kayak, man.
Might have to run around if you have to. You got him back? You think he's over?
Yeah.
That's a bruiser. It's about a 28, 29.
You're a better guesser than me, man.
I don't know if it. I don't think he's that big actually. He looks 27. That looks like a tournament fish. Keep him off the boat. Reel down. It looks like he's touching the boat. He's not that big. He's a tournament fish, dude. That's a 27, 28. He doesn't look huge.
Sweet.
Let's see if he's a keeper. Oh my god, he's a perfect tournament fish. Let's see. Look how he engulfed that thing. Come on. Oh my god, he's exactly 27. He's a keeper. 26 and 0.8. Look at that.
That's amazing, man.
Like if you get out early enough, throw topwater till 8:30. You'll catch more snook. Well, this is prime time for snook to hit this lure. You got one? Haha, that's a snook. Oh, there's your big snook you wanted. We've only made 5 casts and got 3 good fish. Or 2 good fish.
I saw something break the surface before I even cast it.
Be easy on him, that's a big snook. That's the hard part about snook fishing. You gotta always keep them high so the leader don't hit a rock. Well, your leader cut clean. Damn it.
Yeah, he scraped the shit out of that.
Yeah.
Was it a rock or him?
It might have been him. It's just hard to tell with snook. With snook, you always got to try to like keep them in one direction. So like try not to go like that because it'll hit their gill plate. So you got to kind of just like work them one way and try to keep them that way. If you like, sometimes just a change of direction will cut the leader. I mean, sometimes they just swallow it too much, so there's nothing you can do. That's why I was saying loosen the drag. I'd rather hear your drag just being really annoying than having it too tight.
Gotcha.
You
When
want?
you first shot off, he was heading for the freaking weeds, so that's why I flipped my rod. I was trying to pull him back the other way.
You got to go through a lot of them to finally get your like niche of how to land them.
I've done that before.
It's a finesse game with a big snook.
They're on a small one. 14 inches.
Sucks losing a fish like that because then you don't get a picture of it. Oh, I got one following mine.
Saw that.
They thought about it. Come on. Oh, I got a huge fish following mine. God dang it. I could see him coming. That was a big... Oh, you got a huge one following you. I just got broke off probably by the same fish. Look at it, he cut my leader like it was nothing. Crazy. There's some tanks in here. I pull and grab a shrimp. Let's catch him. Oh, guys, right there. Big old drum.
You won't hit the top water?
Oh no, he only ate a shrimp. The problem with one drum is there's a lot of area to cover for one fish. It's always so hard to get them on video. Ooh, look at that thing.
There might be two there.
God. Oh, he gone. Holy sh... Get it out there. God, that was a giant snook.
Didn't see it.
God. I wasn't even looking. Loosen that drag. Let's not lose this fish. Let him run. Is it a snook?
He didn't know he was hooked.
Yeah, he shook it. Damn it. 0 for 4 on snook.
You could have easily just ran with that.
It just keeps falling off.
This is loose. You said you don't catch fish much further back now. So
It's because it's too hot. You got a snook on you. I saw that. Why are they all missing the lure? Man, we're 0 for 5. 0 for 6.
oh, that's so entertaining.
Got him. Got him. Well, I hooked him on the swim bait, so he's not going to fall off this time. Yeah. There's a tiny one. So this is the smallest one we've hooked all day. Only a 26 incher. That's the average summer snook. They're usually small like that.
That's so cool.
But that's the fish you lost. He ate yours twice and then I caught him on the slam shady. Look at all the fish right in front of us. Bunch of fish right there. Very top water than that. It's gotta be a snooker right underneath all that mullet.
Biggest red you ever caught?
I've got everything up to 40.
Caught a 40-inch red?
Yeah. Come on. God, that point just looks perfect with his mullet. Oh, there he is. Small snook. I always try to make sure the camera's on, and that's when you lost the last 3. It was right when I turned the camera off. Finally got a snook. Of course you land the tiny one. Oh, he's not tiny. Try to keep him in the water when he does that. Keep your rod tip low. That's the smallest one that hit today. You've caught him that size. We're looking for Big Mama.
Yeah, it's still fun, man. There we go. Fired up.
So we're 2 for 7. I don't know if it was. I don't know if it's the creek or the mangrove that had that snook on it. That one, it kind of had the 1-2 punch. I was like, that's a good looking spot. Instant fish. It is a snook and not a red, right?
I thought I saw copper.
You think it's a redfish?
I think it's red.
He didn't jump like a snook.
Yeah, it's copper.
That's another top slot redfish, isn't it?
Healthy.
Oh, it is a big red. That's a 24-incher. We already have a limit of redfish. The rest of the day will be fun. That's not even that big.
Nope.
Only,
on the side.
yeah, he's only a 22-incher. That's still a solid fish.
Strong.
Yeah, healthy limit. Nothing wrong with that fish. These are always the good ones to keep anyways. Not gonna ruin anybody's tournament day. Whoa! Damn it!
All the way to the middle, huh?
Holy shit! That's a good snook. Now do you want him? Oh, he fell off! God! On that creek mouth. That fish was pissed off. Are you? That was right where your mud minnow is. I gotta get a pitch. Oh my god.
How's he missing that many times? You get it that time?
And that one was a smaller one. There must be 10 snook in there because that's not the same snook. Look how chafed my leader is. Recast your mud minnow and farther. There's a whole school of snook in there. You ever seen that many blow-ups in your life?
No, never.
That was like 5 in a row.
He swam a long ways in there.
I don't know how we just missed that. Wasn't putting up much of a fight though, but there he goes. That's a good red.
Trying to get wrapped up in my line.
Is it a red?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a red. Another slot fish we gotta let go. Redfish! Not very big.
Nope. Healthy though.
Maybe bigger. Redfish?
So,
Small one.
yeah. Straight to the boat.
Oh wow, I was wondering, that looked like an odd fight. Oh, there's your dinner you wanted, something extra. That's a nice
Yeah.
bonus fish.
His size on those
12,
guys.
he's a keeper. Can you boat flip him or you need help? Should be able to just turn and flip him in. Good 13, 14-incher. You were saying? Good red. Knew there'd be another red here somewhere. Not a big one. Man, he took off like a big one, didn't he? That TV show drag. They're eating your jig head better than they're eating my freeline one. Nice. That didn't take too long.
Nope.
Fishing's easy, right?
I think part of the theory is you're fishing unpressured spots. Come here, little guy.
Yeah, go that way. That's another 17, 18-incher. I'll get these out of your way.
Oh, he's gonna be tangled around that blue line.
I think you're clear now. Little redfish.
Yeah.
Yep.
Which one did you hit? The mud minnow?
No. I think this was the free line shrimp.
Super little.
Tiny little redfish.
Record setter.
Holy cow. You need to take a picture of that. That is seriously a record size redfish. I have never seen a red that small. That's hilarious. Gotta grab some trout. Come on, trout. You gotta jiggle the shrimp just right. Big trout. First cast. I guess it worked.
Yep.
It just keeps the bait from grabbing the grass, I guess. It's a nice trout. That's a tiny little sand trout.
Ain't no meat on you, dude.
Well, when you're desperate, it still makes a fish stick. You gotta work it. Cast it out, double pop, cast it out, double pop. You just want to keep, there you go. It's like you upgraded trout. Dude, that was a giant sand trout. You believe it now?
Yep.
That was a 17-inch sand trout. Little sand trout. Trout came to us. Dude, look at the size of that one. That's a good one. Looks like another keeper sea trout.
Lemon on those, 5?
Yeah. Nice sea trout. Got another one. It's a nice one. They're hitting it the second hits the water now. I think you got enough for a fish fry now. I mean,
Bounce it.
I jiggle it just to get attention and then I try to let it sink. Oh, there it goes.